This video shows you the functions of the score related to demo and accompaniment. First of all, you can see the switching button of Real Person at the bottom of the score interface. Click Real Person to switch to the audio or video demonstrations of a real person instrumentalist. Select the version you want and click play. You will find that while the audio and video is playing, the score cursor also follows correspondingly to the played notes one-to-one. During playback, you can click any note on the score at any time, and the audio and video will restart playing from that note instantly. Isn't it too convenient for students who want to listen or watch a certain section repeatedly? If you want to turn on the accompaniment, you can switch Real Person to Machine, ACC. Click to play. In addition to original score parts which is electronically synthesized. You can also hear the accompaniment sound part and the metronome. Click each part on the bottom mixer. You can switch them on or off individually. Besides, by clicking the side menu to invoke volume adjustment, you can change the volume of each part independently as you like. For example, if I want to use the piano accompaniment of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, I can turn off the metronome and the violin part on the mixer. Doesn't it accompany you as a real person? Come and try it.